and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. This is Akshata Mehta. Here are some of the news that made the headlines today. In a last-minute announcement, both Israel and Hamas confirmed the extension of their truce for a 7th consecutive day, preserving the temporary pause in hostilities in the Gaza Strip. Israel's military, highlighting the importance of ongoing mediator efforts, expressed commitment to the ceasefire, contingent on the terms of the agreement. The extension, set for at least another 24 hours, follows the established framework facilitated by Qatar. The mediation involves a daily exchange where Hamas releases 10 Israeli hostages, reciprocated by Israel releasing 30 Palestinian prisoners, underscoring the delicate negotiations aimed at sustaining the current fragile peace in the region. In a historic move, Manipur's oldest armed group, the United National Liberation Front, renowned for a decades-long struggle for sovereign land, has laid down arms after 6 decades of guerrilla warfare against central and state forces. The tripartite peace deal announced by the centre and the state government signifies a significant step toward lasting peace in Manipur. Home Minister Amit Shah attributes the success to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's development policies in the northeast. The UNLF's decision to end armed resistance comes after ethnic clashes in Manipur, highlighting its significant impact on regional stability. A 1.5-year-old child with head injuries rushed from Hassan to Nimans in Bengaluru has died, sparking accusations from parents of a treatment delay. The family claims they waited over an hour for admission. Nimans, in response, cited a poor prognosis and the unavailability of a ventilator bed. The hospital asserted the child's severe bradycardia and cardiac arrest at 3 p.m. led to unsuccessful revival efforts, resulting in the child's demise by 4:05 p.m. on Wednesday. The incident raising concerns about medical response times, prompting Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to express intent to discuss the matter with Nimhan's leadership. A bizarre turn of events unfolded in Bengaluru as an MBA graduate, Koli Naga Venkata Pavan Kumar, sought his own arrest through a call to the city police helpline. Allegedly involved in swindling over 500 job aspirants of 5 crore rupees, Kumar flew from Delhi to Bengaluru at the request of a group of victims who had devised a plan to apprehend him. The Whitefield police arrested the 38-year-old after his arrival. Kumar had closed down his training and placement offices, Shamukh Technology and Monty Corps in Whitefield before fleeing to Delhi. The police have initiated an investigation into the case, with 24 complainants coming forward on Wednesday alone. Over 6 months after Rahul Gandhi highlighted the importance of protecting street vendors in Bengaluru, the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike faces accusations of flouting the norms of the Street Vendors Act, forcefully evicting vendors. The Federation of Bengaluru District Street Vendors Association demands action against BBMP officials for violating the Street Vendors Act. Recent evictions around the Jayanagar 4th Block shopping complex have sparked outrage. Street vendors seek FIRs, compensation, proper surveys, and awareness workshops for BBMP police officials. Despite the political discourse around brand Bengaluru, activists emphasize that the majority relies on roadside vendors, dubbing them the malls of the working class. In October 2023, the output of 8 key infrastructure sectors increased by 12.1%, compared to a 0.7% expansion in the same period last year, as per official data released on Thursday. With the exception of fertilizers, all sectors demonstrated robust production growth in the reviewed month. The core sector, like coal, crude oil, natural gas, refinery products, fertilizers, steel, cement, and electricity, experienced a growth of 9.2% in September. From April to October in the fiscal year 2023-24, the combined output growth of these 8 sectors reached 8.6%, a slight increase from the 8.4% recorded in the corresponding period of the previous year. Rohit Sharma will captain India in T20s and KL Rahul will lead in ODIs for the South Africa tour as Virat Kohli opts for a break from white ball cricket. Kohli remains available for test matches, with plans for his return to white ball cricket to be decided later. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has applied for visas for 45 Indian players for the tour. Meanwhile, VVS Lakshman, coaching the T20 series against Australia, will return to the National Cricket Academy in Bengaluru. India A will be coached by Sitanshu Kotak and Troy Cooley during the South Africa tour. These were the major news of the day. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.